Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, the weekend was great weather-wise across most of the Midwest. We expect, without a lot of rain this week, there should be some pretty quick advancement of the corn planting. Some people in Iowa say they could be as much as 80% done in central Iowa by Friday if they don't have a rain event. I think that that's causing a little pressure in the market with beans and corn down a penny, wheat down about 4 to 5 cents. Wheat market continues to struggle with export demand out of the United States, and the closer we get to the new harvest, especially in Russia, the less there is of chance of U.S. Wheat exports. For most of the part, globally, Northern Hemisphere weather is good. When we look at comparison prices, beans out of South America are cheaper than U.S., meal out of Argentina is cheaper than U.S., and we assume that the corn out of South America, corn out of the Black Sea will be cheaper than U.S. at their harvest, and the wheat will be cheaper than U.S. at their harvest. So we could lose export demand because of the talk of a bigger 2019 global crops. Besides the weather, we're watching the trade issue between U.S. and China. Next week, U.S. delegation goes to China to try to hammer out the resolution. It would be good for U.S. agriculture if they are committed to buy a certain amount of ag goods. Right now, the fact that it's being delayed is hurting U.S. prices and also hurting U.S. farm income. 95% of the deal is expected to be done, but the last 5% may take a while as it might have something to do with enforcement of the new deal. And money flow, funds are record short corn, the record short combined grains and oil seeds, and again, that sometimes would offer support, especially with corn and wheat prices near the season lows, soybean prices drifting lower and making new lows as for the move as we each day. But I don't think there's a reason yet for the funds to cover their shorts. We, number one, need a deal. Number two, we need a weather scare. So we continue to drift lower with funds record short, and we were watching planting progress this week across the Midwest and waiting for news on a new deal. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable Earth Day.